I must warn you, this video contains high levels of glamour, sizzling style, and car wash foam. Watch at your own risk. Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to Libas Fashion Hub, the place where we break down Bollywood most glamorous, jaw-dropping looks, from fashion to sprinkling of fun. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss the sparkles. Today we are driving into Sunny Leone's unforgettable Rom Rom Romantic look from Mastizaade movie. This is part 5 of the multi-part that we are making of this movie song. In the main case, in this part of song, the main scene, Sunny Leone starts with Bikini with attitude. She walks in like she owns the beach and the road and of course the car. Why not? Rocking and red and white stripped bikini top, black bottom, accented by gold buckle details. This is a perfect blend of sporty and sluttery, and yes, even palm trees seems to be clapping for her. Well, the car is just an excuse moment. Let's be honest. The red sports car is just as supporting actor here. Sunny leans over, soap in hand, gives that signature over the shoulder look that says, yes, I'm here to wash, but mostly to wow. Suddenly, song, she starts with the foam gun and soap spraying on the car and pointing up. Entire pressure wash now. Most of us used to clean and dry away. Sunny, she turns into runway prop. And every spray, every angle is just Bollywood choreography. Safety goggles on, not is just glamorous universe. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. If you pull off this for a good pool party and beach, remember, pink bold colors, metallic accessories. The Sunny song Rom Rom Romantic is proof of fashion and fearless. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video and comment which is your best scene from this. See you later. Bye.